Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have recently updated to a newer Windows version, so Windows also automatically saves the older version of the Windows in the C directory in the folder called Windows.old. The advantage of saving the older version is that you can roll back to the older version at any time you want. But the biggest advantage of saving the older version is that it can take up a lot of space in your PC. So if you want to remove the older version from your PC and to free up some space, in this video I'm going to show you the safest method to delete the older version of the Windows from your PC and save a lot of space. Now we will see how we can do it. So to safely remove the older version of Windows, you have to simply press the Windows key and search for disk cleanup. Just type here disk cleanup and run it as an administrator. So it will take some time to calculate how much space you will be able to free on this directory. So after completing the calculation, you will see this kind of prompt. You just simply have to drag down and look for the older Windows version. So as you can see here, we have previous Windows installation and we are going to delete it. Just click here, select it and click on OK. Click on delete files. Now it is removing the older version of the Windows from your PC. It will take some time to complete the process. So after the cleaning process, now right click on the Windows.old folder and click on properties. Now you can see the size is just 0 bytes. So it has successfully removed all the unnecessary files from the Windows.old from your PC. So if I go back to my C directory, as you can see that we have saved up a lot of space. This is it for today. If you want to learn more about operating systems and AI, you can subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the updates of the new uploads. See you next time. Bye bye.